Did you know, including you, WhatsApp has 1.5 billion active users a month? In this video let's learn 5 tricks in it. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Without a lag, let's start our episode. Hi guys, this is Brian, from rootmentor. Apologize. There is a construction work beside my home, and we don't have a good microphone, so we are using this robotic voiceover. Please consider this. 1. Font. To change the font of the text in image, open out the image, type in your text, position it to your liking. Now, hold your desired color to text, and drag horizontally to the left of the screen. You can see the text font is changing. 2. Line thickness. Not only changing the text font in image, you can even change the line thickness. To do so, as usual, select the image and select the pen icon on top right. Now holding the color, drag horizontally to the left of the screen. This will increase the thickness of the line. 3. Formatting. To highlight a word and sentence, we use bold, italic or some things which attracts in Word. In WhatsApp we can send text in bold, italic, strike through and other fixed font. To send bold text, add stars before and after the text without space. This will convert your text to bold. To send italic, add underscore before and after, without a space. To strike through, add not symbol, before and after dot. Now your text is striken. For block font, add 3 left tilted upper commas, before and after. 4. Broadcast. When you want to send fixed message to members more than 5, forward fails. To send single message to many members, open your chats, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. From the drop down below, click on the new broadcast. Now select the members you want to send the message, which will now create a new broadcast. Type in the message or forward to this broadcast. At any time you can add members or remove members from this broadcast. This is similar to group. 5. Read receipts. When your friend sends a message, and if you have seen it, he will get 2 blue ticks. To stop these blue ticks, there are many third-party apps, but do you know WhatsApp has the feature to turn off the blue ticks? To do so, open your chats, click on the top right 3 dots and navigate to setting. Now select account and click privacy. Now you can see your option read receipts. Just turn off it using slider. Now your friend doesn't get the blue ticks. Cool. Thanks for watching this video till end. Share this video to your friends and help us in growing our channel by just subscribing and liking our videos. We will be back on Sunday.